Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to download and install the Battlefield 6 Open Beta on your PC or laptop for free. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get started. First, open a web browser of your choice and then here in the search bar, type Battle 6 Open Beta and scroll until you find the official EA website. Then here on the page, look for Download Now option and click it. Next, select your platform. Since we're on the Windows, click EA app for the window and then hit Download EA app and open the File Explorer, and here you can locate the installer. Just download that and run it. Then let it install and it may take a few minutes. And once installed, open the EA app. If you don't have already an account, just click Create Account. And after signing in, go to your search bar at the top and then type the Battlefield 6 and find the Battle 6 Open Beta and click it, then select Download. Choose the location where you want the game to install and then after that press Next, then hit Download. And once complete, the game will be in your library and ready to play. And that's it. You've downloaded successfully the Battlefield 6 beta on your PC or laptop. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.